Hello everyone and welcome to our Modeler OneSolve YouTube channel. I'm Monique and today I'll be taking you through the unfold and refold command located in the sheet metal environment. As you can see, I've already created a basic folded model that we are going to use. Under your sheet metal tab, you will see that we've got a couple of options available in our ribbon. If you go to your modified ribbon, you will see that we've got an unfold and refold button. If you select the unfold button, it will ask you to select a stationary reference. It is already highlighted, so I'm just going to select my face. After that, it will ask us to select the bends and select OK. So now that I've got my flat pattern, I would like to add a sketch. In this case, I'm just going to add a circle here, and let's say a rectangle. Yeah, select Finish Sketch. And then I'm going to select the cutout feature, select my profiles, and select OK. So now that I've got my flat pattern with my cutouts, I would like to refold it. I've got one of two options available. One is the refold button. It will ask you again to select a stationary reference. It is already highlighted, so I'm just going to select my face. After that, I'm going to select my bends. Select OK. Or you can just go in your tree here and you go right-click on the unfold icon and select the refold feature. And now you know how to use the unfold and refold command located in your sheet metal environment. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.